Where do I begin? Amidst a pandemic, disinformation, global warming, wars, where might any of us begin in changing the world? No man is an island, said John Donne. Isolation is a self-defeating dream, said Carlos Salinas de Gortari. And Helen Keller once said, alone we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. It seems that the key to making an impact is in working with others rather than alone. After all, this year's WeVoi theme states that individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. But making a large impact isn't enough. It's making a meaningful one that matters most. One drop may not be able to make waves, but it can still make ripples. It can still disturb the comfortable and start a movement. And in a world of scarcity, every drop counts. The value of a group lies in the value of its individual members. We can influence others, help them, guide them. We can change our circumstances for the better. But in the end, life is uncertain and out of our hands. The only thing we can ever get close to truly possessing and controlling is our own self, our thoughts, our actions, our limits. We can only contribute what we have. Each of us has something to give, and only we can determine what that is. Only we can identify it, maintain it, build it up. It's up to us. It's up to you. So get out there. Use your voice. Shine your light on others so that they may find their own. Even with nothing to prove, make sure you have enough to give. And as you gain more, expect more from yourself. You were not born into this world an iteration of someone else. You have something unique, new, something that the world has never seen before you and will never see again after you. But even still, we are all inherently imperfect. Each of us is only one piece of the puzzle. But where we fall short, other members of the community may excel and fill in the blank spaces. And with every individual's unique pattern coming together, we can see, build, and one day live in the bigger picture. A world of peace and harmony, where the individual is celebrated and the truth prevails. Simply put, in changing the world, one must consider working with the world. One cannot go about such a huge feat alone. But we must first find our own voices, and then we must use them to find each other. It is silent where a voice is not used, dark where light is kept hidden. That is where I will begin, where you should begin. And in a kaleidoscopic world is where we could all end, only to begin again, together.